What's up? It's Joey and Katie, and we're here to bring you the 7 color changing portable diffuser, which is the perfect personal humidifier for use just about anywhere you need a little moisturizing mist and a calming atmosphere.
And what's great about it is it's portable and it's powered by USB. So it's perfect to put anywhere in your house, your desk at work, and due to its size, it virtually fits in any single cup holder, so you can bring it with you on your travels.
It's super easy to use. Once you fill the reservoir with water, just push the power button. And there's 2 different misting modes. There's constant mist mode and intermittent mist mode.
Now what I love about this is that it has a 7 color changing option. So you can pick your favorite color, or you can just have the colors change automatically. And if you're into aromatherapy, you can also add your favorite essential oil.
And don't worry, if you forget that your humidifier is quietly misting away in the corner, there's an auto power off function which will turn the unit off after 6 hours, so feel free to leave it on overnight. And the rubberized bottom will prevent it from sliding on any surfaces.
Plus, I do want to mention that the unit does come with 2 filters. And in case you need more, we actually sell those on the site for an absolute great price. Now, you are going to love these and you are going to want to grab one for you and a friend. So head on over to our site and grab yours today.